don't tire for this work.
Yeah, this boy. Oh boy. Okay. What are you still doing? You have not finished the work for how many days?
My work now.
You say what?
I work your work now.
For how many days?
Yes,
you
I don't try now. I don't try to see your work.
Huh?
I don't try to see your work. They remember one, I don't
see, let me tell you. You see this work? If this work didn't finish today and tomorrow, this work didn't finish today and tomorrow, you see what will happen?
Oh, guy, your work will finish.
Make sure it's finished. Make sure it's finish this work. See how that is. Wait. Oh, man. No, be cat. Where one carry power? Hey.
They don't do work, Jeffa. If I have to shot for you, got a shot.
You say what?
If I mean I got a shot for your work.
I don't think
go, Jeffa.
My go, Jeffa.
Jeffa. If I got a shot.
If not you, I got a shot.
No worry, your work will finish.
You're not saying when the
no, your work will finish.
Huh?
This one and the last time I work.
Where are you going to now? Have you finished the work?
No, that's tomorrow I'll come back.
Excuse me, listen to me. You see this place that's like this. I don't like it. And I don't want to come here tomorrow. And this place is still like this. Do you hear what I said? Do you hear what I said? I don't want to come back here tomorrow. This place is still like this. Make sure you put 1 or 2 persons to clear this place.
No problem, sir.
Because mothers are coming here to mold blocks. Do you hear what I said?
No problem.
Hey! No.
Which can work in this one? I don't even tire. I don't tire. Why this one like you with the worry person for this work? Monkey said I don't tire. I don't go rest. I won't go rest. This one that's only for this can work, so I don't tire. Why this one not the worry person? The worry person for this work. Me say I don't tire. I don't tire for this man work. I don't tire. Which kind things will be this one? The way person go the work, no get rest of mind. No get peace of mind.
Come on, boy. You are still here.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. You are still here. What are you doing here?
I the rest. Now, person no go rest for your work again.
You say they do what?
I the rest.
The rest.
I the rest for your work now. Why
Wait.
That's
you leave the work. I have to rest.
I bet you don't get peace of mind for your work again. When you go down the worry person, they disturb person.
Me, they disturb you.
The worry person, the worry person, the worry person for your work.
Wait. Excuse me. You say what? No, come on.
Go carry.
After come here.
If I don't see my phone, If I don't see my phone,
Wait. After come here.
Okay, no go close to you. No go close to you.
What? Excuse me. Come here. Where are you going to?
Okay, don't they go for your walk. When you start person for the work for you, know get it of mine. Which can work?
Are you talking? Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, I will get you. You see this work?
After all, you never even pay me finish. You
see this work?
I don't know what I'm doing. Drop your work.
Okay, don't worry.
You just say you get stressed. If not, they call work out.
No problem. Don't worry, no problem. You see this work? If you finish this work tomorrow, you see what happens.